Welcome back to my channel Emotions Unplugged. I'm back over here with my same tagline, it's time to speak with Dr. Sparsh. Today I have come up with a new topic, finding space in togetherness. Actually, I have a regular habit of reading the editorial of Times of India. Today, while I was going through that editorial page, I came across an article that let there be spaces in togetherness. The famous Lebanese poet Khalil Gibran, he has highlighted the importance of that concept, that let there be spaces in togetherness. Let the moving seas flow between the two individuals. When we are in a relationship with a friend, with a family member, maybe with our life partner, many times this question comes to each one of us of our mind. Have we given enough space and freedom to each other in our relationship? Actually, loving someone, showing our compassion, our affection, our kindness to someone or for someone doesn't mean that we should have a tight grip or cling to that relationship. What's the result? That the individual does not find ample space. Perhaps that becomes a major obstacle and hindrance in the process of making a relationship strong. It has been experienced also, I can say it's my personal experience also. Relationship actually flourish when we allow one individual to be free enough, both physically and emotionally. The best few moments of our life of joy, excitement, love, these are all the moments that brings or develop attachment in our relationship. But we should not make our attachment so tight that ultimately it will lead to heartbreak. Because heartbreak is unbearable. It is very painful. So over here, my intention is not to show indifference, attitude or behavior in our relationship. To develop some sort of detachment. Because our mind will say something, but our heart is not ready to go by the words of our mind sometimes. So in that case, if you will talk to your own conscience, you will see that finding few lone moments for yourself will help you analyze your real position in your life. Actually, we are conflict driven. A lot of confusions are going on around in our life. So, in these confusions, we have created an emotional landscape actually in our relationship. and that emotional landscape is not allowing the other person in our relationship to be free. So let such type of melodious symphony be created individually when both the partners are in each other's level, free enough to deal with its process. So as beautifully Gibran has said that, fill each other's cup, but drink not from one cup. So beautifully explained. Fill each other's cup, but don't drink from one cup. That means maintain your own position, your own individuality in your relationship. Perhaps that is what talking about giving freedom, giving space in togetherness. Sometimes it becomes difficult to accept the decision of each other. But in the long run, when we say that we are so close to someone, we love someone so much, we are so much attached to someone, actually you are not close to the other person, or you are not loving the other person so much. You are actually loving your own self. Why? Because that is attachment. What you want for your own self, the thing that gives you happiness, when you feel that your wishes, your desires are fulfilled. So in that regard, if something is giving happiness by being attached, or by showing love and kindness, or having a tight grip over someone, so don't you think that is not love for someone else, that is love for yourself, because that is giving you ultimate happiness, that is your point of satisfaction. So in this note, don't you think there is no ample space in togetherness? So over here, my today's point of discussion is, we need to open up that platform where the tide should be, the grip of the hold should be loosened. The more you hold tightly, the pain will be more. If slowly and slowly you will make the grip of your bonding a bit lesser, then hopefully that pain might not be so painful. That's why it said, heartbreak is it's unbearable. So why to go to that extent of reaching a point of heartbreak? Why not to give that sort of ample space, ample freedom in the bond of relationship or togetherness? Hopefully in my next episode of this topic, very soon I'll be meeting you with some of the other points of discussion, that how it is important to provide space in togetherness. Till then, think about this topic. Think how everyone's relationship will not be a bond. Maybe it will strengthen our relationship. But till then, don't forget to give your like, your comment, your subscription for my channel Emotions Unplugged. Have a great day ahead. think about the topic. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be positive in developing your mindfulness. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.